I'm very happy to be with you, to celebrate with you in this ceremony, symbolically to turn on the water, because for many years you have struggled without it. People watching this, maybe on the news, some people looking at it on the internet, I said, why are we making much out of turning on water in a community like ours? But they wouldn't understand what it means for you to get water in your house. They wouldn't understand. They wouldn't understand. To wait 30 odd years to be able to turn the tap in your yard and see water. We understand it. And so for all the other communities in Jamaica who are waiting just as long and even longer for water, have faith, have hope. We won't be able to do all in this term, but in the next term to come, and the term after that, and the term after that, and the term after that, we make that commitment that we will bring water to your homes and to your fields. Water is life, and we will ensure that you have the precious commodity.
We are more than grateful. I'm trying to find the correct word to use to describe how we are feeling just now.
You're overwhelmed?
It's more than overwhelmed. Right. I don't know if we can flick over or fly. And jump. And jump. Yes. And dance. And lie down and dance. We didn't know that we would live to see this day. Because we have been promises. And finally,